Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kaseng sain partai kebelatip kum kerlok Jan Shakti Parti LJP henne kasni ke sauterek unopra. Kalapan bena ya kisan ngur ki kerteng jong ki kertong ki bani aireng hak election banjit ekonomik man syake yang darbar tauan ke jela ke ban salong haus nem arja kat prabanwan. Ya kini ki kerteng jong kisan ngur ki kertong lapan bena henne kasni da state president jong ke LJP Ujamil Ahmed hak je kendo bar kinong partai kubor hasilong press club. Kini ki kertong jong ne kaseng ki kintom yu ba Tony Marbanyang uban yakon na kasilong not constituency uba don lang nongbri na maulai uba Dennis Tensiar na penursla uba Barilang Jerwa na Juwai bat ka are litha sangma kabanyakon na kaselsela constituency Harilom Garo. Habaikan bakinong partai kubor na kalyang State President Ujamil Ahmed uloang baka parti kabo ya katong ban panyang kertong hadu lai pesan lani sau posin hakane election kanang balada ki job kanyo bantau sarkar.
My candidates, whoever are winning, will give proper account of their funds to the people of the constituency, to the government, will be answerable to public regarding money. And money is the only factor where people can be corrupt. So my candidates, they have already promised to me, whoever is coming, that they will survive only on their side. We are not winning, my dear friend, we don't have money and we are not going to win by money. So we are trying to change the mentality of the people that please don't vote for money, vote for the candidate. But as far as the LJP unit is concerned, we will be honest that I can
transparent.
Exactly. Transparency, but see, whatever fund is coming to MLA, it will be transparently spent.